grade grammar learners. We are going to talk about a subject called commas today. They also belong in sentences. So again, to review, sentences, words that come together to make a complete thought. We've got 4 different types: the statement, question, command, and exclamation. Now here's the thing. To review from last time, sentences, they end in a punctuation point. We've got a couple of these, right? The exclamation point, making it exciting. The question mark, to ask the question. And the period. And these all end in the complete sentence. And remember, it's got to have a punctuation to end, or else they aren't complete. Now here's the thing. There's another punctuation mark that can be inside. And these are called commas. They break apart sentences. So we use commas to break apart sentences. Here's an example. Commas, for example, break apart sentences like that. I put a little arrow here so you can see there's 2 different commas to break apart this sentence. Now we're going to learn about a couple ways to be able to do this and use them. One of the ways is to separate the day and the year in a date. Here's the example I used. My birthday is May 25th, 1996. Did you hear a little bit of the pause there? I'll say it again. My birthday is May 25th, 1996. I put the little comma there between 25th and 1996. That way we don't really get confused between all the numbers in here. It's nice to have that comma there. Another way we can use them that we're going to learn about today is to separate the name of a city and the state that it belongs in. So for example, we live in Duluth, Minnesota. As you can see, we have the comma here to separate the city, Duluth, and the state that it belongs in, Minnesota. So those are 2 examples, 2 ways that we can use commas in complete sentences. So it's your turn. What are commas used for? Right? What are they used for? Discuss that with someone. Where can you find them in the classroom? I'll give you a hint. They are all over your classroom, especially for separating the day and the year of a date and the city and state. Where can you find them in everyday life as well? Finally, I want you to practice by giving an example of a day and a year in a date using the correct grammar or correct comma placement. And then also give an example of a comma between the name of the city and their state. Have fun, our grammar learners.